welcome back to my channel, guys. I hope you all are practicing well, and on 9th of February you have your NIFT exam. So I am here with one of the most demanded videos on 10 important questions solved and 5 important questions to solve. Now, these 10 important questions are from 7 to 8 important topics which are equally important for Masters in Design and Bachelors in Design. So completely watch this video, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, go and subscribe it, hit the bell icon for notifications क्योंकि आपको इतने important sessions और कहीं नहीं मिलेंगे. Moving forward, the first topic is comic strip topic, and the question is depict the quote better late than never in a comic strip. Now through this quotation I just want to tell you that you can get questions based on quotations, and this is one of the possible executions on comic strip. Now if you are new to my channel, you can go and see the playlist. There I have uploaded the session on comic strip. Also I have uploaded many sessions on many topics like storyboards, process drawing, sequential drawing, conventional, unconventional designs, futuristic designs, and everything whatever comes in NIFT, NID and IIT. So if you are new, you must see these topics before writing for the exam. So here this is the possible solution. Now here when we talk about comic, we need to express ourselves with the colors, with the gestures, with the expressions, with the dialogues and the dialogue boxes. So there are certain principles to do comic strips. Go and watch that session of comic strips. Also on that note, I'm going to tell you the important links of the important videos and study materials and the mocks and the classes. All will be available in the description of this video. You can go and grab things from there. Now moving forward, the next topic could be banners. Now this falls under the communication design segment, and the question could be make an advertisement banner for Domino's describing the exciting offers. Now when we talk about advertising banners, you need to keep that in mind that you are going to mention the 50% off, the order now, and the logo of that very brand, also in bold letters the name of that brand, which is Domino's, and the important things which Domino's sell, the important food, the pizza to which we crave for. So this is how we are going to depict a banner, and you need to have a key eye on what background color you are choosing, what foreground color you are choosing, because in posters and in banners these two principles are very important, along with alignment and typography. So one of the most important topics, banners. Again you can move forward and see composition and perspective. Now this is one of the topics जहाँ से question आते ही हैं, and you get 1 point, 2 point or 3 point, or maybe in previous year in masters you got bird's eye view or the aerial view, or a simple question based on your observation. Like here you can see sketch a train's compartment where a family is traveling. Now we all have traveled with train, by train, and we know how we travel when we are with our family. We are eating something, we are reading something, we are not chasing, but yes, if we have our siblings and we are playing, we are laughing hard. So this is how you depict a railway compartment scene, and that's how you if you have had traveled through train or bus, so आपको याद होनी चाहिए, वो memories आपके दिमाग में fresh होनी चाहिए before depicting, because from that your observation skills are being judged. Moving forward, the next question is again on based on perspective and composition, which is a courtroom scene. Now I know many of you, हम सब हमेशा कोर्ट तो नहीं गए होंगे, बहुत कुछ लोग होंगे जो कभी शायद कभी एक्सपीरियंस किया होगा इन एनी टर्म्स. सो ऐसा तो बिल्कुल नहीं है कि आपने मूवीज में नहीं देखा, वेब सीरीज में नहीं देखा. वी हैव सीन द कोर्ट रूम, वी हैव सीन द जज, वी हैव सीन द लॉयर्स, वी हैव सीन दीज टू डिफरेंट कंपार्टमेंट्स जहाँ पे आरोपी जो होते हैं वो खड़े होते हैं, एंड द होल सेगमेंट. नाउ दिस इज माई वन ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स वे ऑफ लाइक हिज परसेप्शन ऑफ ड्रॉइंग. इट कुड बी योर परसेप्शन. आप थोड़े से ऑडियंस भी दिखा सकते हो, आप थोड़े फाइल्स दिखा सकते हो. द पर्सन कुड बी स्टैंडिंग बिहाइंड द जज. तो ये कुछ चीजें हैं जो देयर इज ऑलवेज लाइक दे आर अवेलेबल, एंड अगर आपकी ऑब्जर्वेशन स्किल्स अच्छी हैं तो आप इसको भी इमेजिन कर पाओगे. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द टॉपिक्स जो आपको प्रैक्टिस कर लेना चाहिए. इसके अलावा you must practice the workplaces, you must practice the mechanics workplace. It could be of cycle mechanic, it could be of car mechanic, the line for the ATM, the general store, the supermarket, and there are many more topics. If you haven't practiced composition, please do practice compositions, because one question can hit from this very topic. Moving forward, we have gestures and expressions. Now in this type of question, you are supposed to the examiner wants you to express the gestures and expressions through like the big eyes, the smiling mouth, and the movement of your hand that shows your gestures. So there is one topic on gestures and expressions on my playlist. You can go and watch that. Gestures and expressions are not only we can represent it through in terms of like human figure, but on vegetables it can also be represented, on the fruits it can also be represented through smileys. ऐसे questions already NIFT में previous 3 years पहले आ चुके हैं. So gestures and expressions. Now here in this one picture is given and there are 3 scenarios: when he is angry or offended, when he is shy, and when he is lazy. The same person, how is he going to react in these 3 scenarios? Now on that note, you have to see yourself and judge yourself that how are you going to react in these 3 scenarios, and like this, possibly this could be your one of the executions. So moving forward, we have space design. Now in the space design questions usually comes in your masters in design, and here the question is of design a dining decoration for a house party using fresh flowers, chandeliers, and soft colors. Now there are 3 key elements which is given and you have to take care, and that is the fresh flowers, that is the chandeliers, and the soft colors. Now you can judge the whole picture, how the placement of flowers, how the placement of the chandelier, how the tones of the walls they have been created. Now here indirectly the demand is that you have to do certain coloring. Now through colors you not only show your skills but also show your color psychology, so that is very important. Okay, moving forward, we have one segment, and that is accessory design. Design any fashion accessory inspired from any particular dance of any state. Now this is a belt which is inspired from, or the corset which is inspired from Gidda festival. Now this will be a festival, यहाँ पे ये spelling mistake है, ठीक है, तो आप इसको V कर लेना, of Punjab. Now you can take any dance form from any state and you can think that what type of costumes, what type of colors, what type of accessories do have in that dance form, and that you can use. Taking those as an inspiration, you can use in any fashion accessory. Now fashion accessory could be a belt, it could be a costume jewelry, it can be a clutch, it could be like anything which enhances your lifestyle. So this is an accessory design question, but this also falls under your design inspiration, as you are asked to take inspiration from any particular dance form of India. Moving forward, we have questions from process drawing. Now process drawing is one of the topics, or storyboards is one of the topics which do come in your masters and bachelors. And here, show a bottle guard arrives to your kitchen. How the bottle guard arrives to your kitchen. Now if you don't know the meaning of bottle guard, definitely you are going to do the question completely wrong. So ये basic knowledge है जो आपको होनी ही चाहिए. Making of a sandwich, and how the bottle guard arrives to your kitchen. The way it is plugged from the field and the way it is kept, बोरियों में बांध करके बड़े बड़े ट्रक्स में रखे जाते हैं, वहाँ से हमारे तक शहरों तक आते हैं. If you are living in any city, अगर आप गांव में रहते हो, you can show that how you pluck from the field, how you take it to the kitchen and you make that whole vegetable. And see the coloring, see the interaction being done. So if you have time, if you have 1 hour, then, and if you are confident enough to use colors, please render it with colors, because that enhances, beautifies your whole art. Okay, moving forward, you have questions from posters, where design a poster creating awareness about breast cancer. Now there are certain these cancers, actually we hear in news the breast cancer, the cervix cancer, brain tumors, these are all part or the forms of cancer. So आपको पता होना चाहिए ये क्या होता है and क्यों होता है. Not in terms of you have to write a passage on that, but definitely 3-4 key points जो important है आपके लिए जाना, and that's how when you represent it through a poster, see how the typography and alignment is going, see how the quotation has been written, see how the elements have been made very apt. So here in posters, if the question is of 40 marks, you have 12 marks for alignment, 12 marks for typography, 10 marks for creativity, and again only 4 or 6 marks for your drawing skills. So everything is important. If you are getting 20 out of 40, you are lacking somewhere in your alignment and typography. So you need to think about these completely. Now, lastly, the question is from design inspiration. Design a handbag clutch inspired from your religion of India. Now, this is one of the questions which I have given as a sample question based on the previous to previous year paper of NIFT, जहाँ पे आपको musical instrument आया था. If you remember, if you have solved PYQs, आपको पता होगा. Now, this is how you are going to sketch and execute your ideas in the 4 boxes. So, this whole question is based on design inspiration. I know अगर आपने ये वीडियो अच्छे से देखी है, ये सारे टॉपिक्स आप रिलेट कर पाओगे जो कि PYQ से आए हुए हैं. Now, just now I did show you whole of the solution and the questions, the sample questions which are done by my students. And if you are a new aspirant of 2000 like आप 2025 में आपने 12th दिया है या दे रहे हो या 11th में हो, you can come up for our classes. We are based in Delhi and we have our online and offline classes across India. You can come and join us. We have our website which is www.sayuktadesign.com. There you can see our success ratio. Not only that, you can buy study material from there. You can also give mocks from there because all India mocks are available there. Moving forward, there are these sample questions to solve. Now, I am not going to explain you these questions, but you can take a screenshot of these questions. One second. Yeah. Express the contrast between the 2 pair of words through 2 separate visuals in the given boxes. Shelter and exposure, rude and root. कैसे दिखाओगे आप? आप ये solve कीजिए and आप @SS Design House पे आप मुझे भेज सकते हो. I will definitely guide you there. Moving forward, the second question, design a sequential drawing which is also called a process drawing for turning a wood into a ply in 5 boxes. तो ये 5 boxes आपको दिए होंगे. एक लकड़ी को आप ply में कैसे convert करते हो. Moving forward, using 3 Roman English Hindi numbers, design any utility product for the age group 18 to 30 years. Now this type of questions आपको प्रीवियस ईयर में थोड़ा बहुत आया था. मैंने थोड़ा सा उसको मॉडिफाई कर दिया है and then you need to solve this. Moving forward, draw a cluttered workspace or a kitchen after a kid leaves to school or you being a professional going out. Give a brief in 100 words for any of the situations selected. Now here, you're not only advised to do the illustration, but also you have to write about that situation. So here the workspace will be given to you and it depends upon you. If it's not asked in your question that you have to do coloring, you can also shade and sketch this out. So simply design a poster on spreading awareness on cervix cancer. Now I think I've shown in the previous slide about the breast cancer. Now you have to develop a poster spreading awareness on cervix cancer. Spreading awareness, that means you have to inform the people around you what is cervix cancer and how to prevent it maybe, or how does it happen. Anything, any one of these. कितना बड़ा मोटिव आपने बनाया है, कैसे आपने लेआउटिंग करी है, वो डिपेंड करता है and that's how you have to do this question. So that's it guys. Here in this session, I tried my best to bring forward the important questions and the important topics, also the sample questions. Do solve it before you sit for NIFT exam on 9th February. And all the best from my side. All the important links and the you will find on the description of this video, all important links related to classes, related to mocks, related to study material, related to important videos of this session, and also the GK videos uploaded by Avinash sir. Please study them because 25 marks bachelor's in design में GK का आने वाला है, and अगेन 20 मार्क्स के आपके MFM में और आपके MDes में भी आता है GK. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सर इज ट्राइंग टू कवर ऑल ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स, चाहे वो हिस्टोरिकल हो, जियोग्राफिकल हो, केमिकल फार्मूलाज हो, यूनेस्को हेरिटेज साइट्स हो, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. वी हैव होल प्लेलिस्ट ऑफ GK there, so you can go and see these videos before sitting for your exam. So all the best guys. I'll come with the next video soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.